The Salvation Army Red Kettle campaign is wrapping up bell ringing this weekend. Bell ringers will be out until the end of the night tomorrow. Even though the kettles will not be out after that, the Salvation Army says you can still donate online until the end of January. Today, the Vernon County Salvation Army is having its first ever match day, where Nelson Agri Center will match donations all day up to $2,000. Those at the Salvation Army say they still have a bit to go to hit their goal for the year, but are confident in the community's help to get there.
We're a couple $1,000s ahead of where we were last year. Our goal is a little more than $20,000 higher than what we brought in last year. So we're definitely going to need a nice day at the Kettles, and then also a good month of January, because the Kettle campaign actually runs until the end of January.
If you would like to donate, you can still also visit their website, salvationarmylacrosse.org.